So welcome back guys, and today in this video we are making a todo app in Python. So first we'll create the todo.txt file to store these todo things. After that we will import by Figlet. Then we will try to make the tasks variable and set it to and split it by this with the 0 1 and accept it. We will tasks will be just empty. Now while one will print by Figlet format for a heading like thing, and now we'll make it for todo. Now for I, N and D, for I, D and T in enumerate task, we will make this the I index, then the task if D is 1 and we will 0, and then the task. Now for then we'll ask the input of add, delete, check or just exit. If this is add, so we will append the tasks input to the task array. And then we have to, if this is delete, so we will pop out the index from here, and if it is check, so we will mark it as check or unchecked depending on if it is checked or not. And we will set that D to 0 if it is 1, or 1 if it is 0, and or if it's exits, though we will break the while loop. And now let's open the file and write here the array with these paraments, and we will use the index and the done or the task. Okay, here's our todo. Now let's add the task of be drowsy. Okay, here it is. Okay, now let's check index 0. Oh, it is checked, and it is all that stored in this file, with 1 or 0 being here with this small mark. Up next is, let's add one more. Let me just add say hello. Now let's delete, just hitting del 0. Okay, it's now the 0 index, and that is